In this video, I'm going to show you how to view your company page analytics, as there's a lot of valuable information there. So here we are on the LinkedIn homepage or your newsfeed, and you'll find your company page here on the left hand side under your profile. So when you first arrive at your company page, there's going to be some analytics that you can view straight away, and you'll see here on the right hand side for the last 30 days search appearances, unique visitors, new followers, post impressions, custom button clicks if you've set up a custom button. But if you actually then click on one of those analytics, it will take you into deeper information. So for example, here on followers, you can see how many new followers you've had on a daily basis, and you see the follower demographics: job function, company size, industry, location, seniority. And you can see who all your page followers are, so you can actually communicate with them if you want to. You will see information with regards to your content, the impressions, and if people have engaged with your content, you'll see the information there. You'll get information with regards to page visitors. So you can see, did they visit from a desktop? Did they visit from a mobile? And again, visitor demographics. Are you attracting the right attention? And you can see information with regards to your competitors. So LinkedIn will compare your company page to other company pages that offer products and services similar to yours. And it will show you follower metrics, how you're doing compared to your competition. And it will show you organic content metrics, how you're doing compared to your competition. This is all valuable information that some companies pay marketing agencies thousands for. On LinkedIn, it's available to you for free. I hope you found this video useful. Please check out the other videos in this playlist for other functionality on LinkedIn.